Saying a bunch of blues, a bunch of blues.
Bro, too late!
Graveyard, graveyard. Go graveyard, Sonny. Same plan, alright? Same plan as last time. Sonny, where are you? Where are you? Sonny, where are you? Sonny, where are you? Sonny, where are you?
Subway.
Do we have it?
No. There's some blues. There's some. I have that.
How much blues? How much blues?
One.
Where you last see him?
He's dead now.
Did you just see the massacre of most free blues? Oh! Sonny! Not yet. Go, we can take it. Come on. Sonny, where are you, bro?
Are you in the sewer, Sean?
No?
I'm in the sewer.
I'm going to the subway.
Wait, to the subway. Yeah, I'm dead. Freaking convoy, bro.
Oh my god, bro, there's just one dude camping with a spats, by the way.
Remind me. Huh? What? You stop at... What shoes, Sean? Are you in supers?
No, bro. I told you, this stupid spaz dude who hides behind the wall, peeks out, and blasts
I
him.
just killed him. Don't worry. Don't worry. I just killed him. I just killed him. Martin, I'm just right now. Come on, come here right now.
Enemies, lots of them, lots of them, lots of them, lots of them. I'm dead. No, wait, I'm not. Oh, do you have a med kit?
Dead.
Go. There's no blues nearby. There's no blues nearby. Go, 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 go.
Locals.
Wait.